Hello everybody, myself Seema Gondhaekar. I am going to teach you split tree, that is a type of search tree. Now objective of this lecture is to learn what is search tree, to understand split tree and its operation, to know applications of split tree and study complexity of split tree and compare with other trees. Now what is basically split tree? Split means spread. A split tree is just a binary search tree and has excellent performance in cases where some data is accessed more frequently than others. Means suppose we are accessing one data frequently, what we do, we put that data at the root level. So next time when we want to access that data, we can access it very fast. So it is a self-adjusted tree. When there are operations such as lookup, means search, insert and delete, where whatever data we are searching, inserting or deleting, that data we put at the root position. So we get that data afterwards very fast. The split tree does not necessarily have minimum height, nor does have logarithmic bounded tree. Means it is not fixed, that is balanced tree. It is somewhat balanced tree. Split an element is a process bringing it to the root position. So that is the main aim of split tree, to search fast. The reference for the slides, I have referred this site and I have prepared slides. Now in split tree there are some rotations. So means when we are adjusting that tree or balancing that tree, we have to use some rotations same as AVL tree, that is zig rotation, zag rotation, zigzag rotation, zag rotation, zigzag and zag. Okay. So there are 6 rotations we required. Means now suppose we are searching some element and suppose we have found that element, we have to bring that element at the root position. So to bringing that number at the root position, if I suppose I insert one element in the tree, again I should bring that element at the root position. So for each operation, whatever data we insert, we delete or we search, we have to put it at the root position. So for putting that element at the root position, we require some rotations, that is called as balancing. So first operation we say zig rotation. Over here the element which we want to search is the left of the root node. Okay, that is a position. So over here suppose I want to display 3 over here, so that is 3 which is left of this root tree. So that is called as zig rotation. Means split tree is similar to single right rotation. Now over here the root is rotated to right. Now after rotating right, we will get the tree like this and we will get 3 at the root position. So this is first operation, that is zig operation. It is left of the root. Now zag operation, when the data which we want to access is a right of the root and there is only one parent over here. Now over here we are using left rotation of root. So when we rotate left of 3, now 5 will come at the root position. So this is zag rotation. Now next rotation is zig rotation. Now over here the element which we want to access is having at the next position, means it is having a grandparent. So over here suppose I am accessing 2, 2 is having one parent, that is 3, and having grandparent 5. So at this position we are using 2 rotations, so that is called as zigzag rotation. Now in zigzag rotation, first we rotate the root grandparent and to right, and then we rotate parent to right. So after rotate 2 rotations we get this tree. So 2 is at the root position. So after zigzag rotation we are having another rotation, that is zag rotation. In zag rotation the element which we want to search is having grandparent, but it is at the right side. So similar to AVL tree RR fashion, we have to rotate first 3 at the left and then afterwards we have to rotate 5 to the left. So after rotation we will take this 6 at the root position. So this is called as zag rotation. Now next rotation is zigzag rotation. It is similar to LR or RL rotations. Now over here there are again two rotations. First, the element which we want to search is 4. So 4 is over here, that is RL of ABL tree, if we know. Then it is, firstly what we should do, we should rotate phi to right. After rotating right we will get this tree. Then afterwards we have to rotate grandparent at the left. So 3 is rotated to left. Now we will get 4 at the root position. So this is called as zigzag. So first, that is right rotation and then left rotation. So that is zig means left and zag means right. So next is zag zig. Now over here the element which we want to search is 4. So firstly we have to rotate 3 to left, so we get like this, and afterwards we have to rotate 5 to the right, so afterwards we will get this 4 at the top position. So this is zag zig. So zag zig means it is first it is at the right and then it is at the left. So it is LR type rotation. Now we can compare split tree operations with other tree. So say split tree is like this. It is having average case order of log n for insert, delete and search operation. Similarly worst case, same complexity is over here. BST for insert, delete and search we are having worst case order of n. For other trees we are having order of log n. So that is the main advantage of other trees over the binary search tree. Now how to insert operation in a split tree? The insert operation in split tree is performed using following steps. First step, check whether tree is empty. If tree is empty, then insert a new node at the root position and exit. If the tree is not empty, then insert the new node at the leaf node using BST insertion logic. Means what? If the data is less, we have to insert at the left side. Okay. So go to left till we are having leaf node. So after insertions, play the new node. So that node again you have to check all type of rotation and you have to place that element at the root position. So for that we require some rotations. So this is splay. Deletion of split tree, deletion operation is similar to BST, but before deleting the elements, play the element and delete from root position. So first you have to search, bring at the root position and delete it. So that is a BST logic. Now next is applications of split tree. Now split tree have become the most widely used basic data structure in the last 30 years because of there is fast type of balanced search tree. In many operations we require fast operations or fast searching, fast insertion. At that time we are using split tree. Split tree is used in Windows NT in virtual memory, networking and file system. The GCC compiler, GNU library, then said string editor, many applications in Unix, split tree is used. Then other application is mainly cache memory. The cache memory is special high speed memory which is used to access frequently requested data, and we are accessing that very fast because of cache memory. And in this cache memory we are using split tree for implementing cache memory allocators or garbage collectors also. In data compression also we are using split tree. So these are the applications. Then another application is router. In that router, lookup table uses split tree. Then split trees are used in GCC compiler, GNU, that we have told you. The split tree is also used as an instruction intrusion detection system. Split tree is used. Summary of this lecture is split tree have excellent locally property, frequently accessed items are easy to find using split tree. All split tree operations take order of log n time in average. Split tree can be religiously shown to run in order of log n average time per operation over any sequence of operation, assuming we start from empty tree. Split tree are simpler compared to AVL and red black tree. Trees are not extra field is required in every tree node. In red black tree we have to use one more field, that is color. In AVL tree we have to use balance factor also. Unlike AVL tree, a split tree can change even with read only operations like search. So for searching also we require this operations, playing operation. So this is a quiz I have added over here. What are the split trees? Self-adjusting binary search tree, self-adjusting binary tree, a tree with strings, a tree with probability distribution. Now over here the split tree is, answer is A, because it is self-adjusting BST. And over here binary, it is not a binary tree, it is binary search tree, because the left is having lesser data and right is having greater data. So if what is a splay operation? Moving parent node to down to child, moving a node to root, moving root to leaf, or D, removing leaf node. Now over here what is the aim of split tree is basically moving whatever data we are accessing, move it to root position so that we can access it fast. So the B choice is better, correct one. So here we ends the lecture. So we'll stop over here. Thank you.